Drugs zile sana tunashika ni bangi, and of late I have noted we are also arresting people with sachets of kiloi. In most cases tukiwapeleka kotini, mostly wanafungwa CSO, that is community service orders. Ninapewa wafagie hapa, wafagie kwenye ofisi ya serikali, wengine wanapelekwa probation, others pay the fines and they have money to pay. Hiyo ni charge moja yenye tukishika sisi wenyewe tukipeleka kotini is the discretion of the magistrate, sababu akilipishwa 20,000 shillings and then alipe the 20,000 shillings atoke nje, they do go back to the same business of selling the drugs. It's a big charge because inakuwa ni kama mchezo. Unamshika leo, unapeleka kotini, anapigwa fine 20,000, analipa, kesho tunampata. Inakuwa ni hiyo mchezo tu. The age ile tunapata sana na bangi, it's between 12 to 35. But also the parents have a role to play because they should monitor the character of their children. Once you start smoking bangi or using drugs, of course the character will change. Onyo ile tunawapea ni kuwa polisi hawatalala, ndio maana tunapewa mshahara. We'll keep on doing the arrest and cracking down all those illicit drugs.
A police officer who is involved in crime is a criminal. So there is no extra punishment for that officer. He'll go to court as any other criminal. You know, we won't treat that officer as special because he or she is a police officer, but we'll deal with that police officer as a criminal.
Na thini wakira bila ya narcotics ndenda kugatirire mathina maria twinamo ni gukorwa ati tutihotaga kuoya mawatho maria twinamo mothe mega mekiritwo tutihotete kumahuthira wega, na uria ingiuga ni atiriri andu aria mahetwo ma implement mawatho especially maya ma Bhangi na njohi tiga gutuhaga watho o mweru o muthenya nduratuteithia. Reke tuikarire watho ucio tugiatire mawatho maria twinamo reke tuma implement na ni mekuruta wira na ni maiganu.